Hey everyone, I'm Andrea Bouget from Aromahead Institute, and I want to show you how to make this oil. I called it a Calm Energy Oil, and it's for just centering yourself when you're feeling very stressed, when things are just feeling very challenging and you need to get centered. And I think you're gonna love this oil. It's got vetiver, lavender, and grapefruit in it. It's a beautiful combination. So if you're a fan of vetiver, then you're gonna really love this. Vetiver is a very rich and earthy aroma, and it's made from the roots of a grass. And the first time I saw the grass, I was in Belize, and I couldn't believe it. There's vetiver grass for the first time. But the oil actually comes from the rootlets underneath the ground. And so it has that really earthy smell, but it's also very sweet and rich. So I'm gonna put it into 1 ounce of jojoba. Let's get the jojoba into our glass bottle first. Okay, and then I'm going to add 5 drops of this beautiful vetiver in here. And vetiver is pretty thick, so you can just put the bottle upside down and the drops will come when they come. And there's 3 and 4, it's a golden color, it's so beautiful. There's 5, okay. So centering and grounding that aroma. And then I'm going to put in 5 drops of lavender. Lavender is such a balancing oil, and it's so great if we're just feeling anxious or upset to really calm our energy. Most people are really big fans of lavender, but if for any reason you're not, you could always replace this with clary sage. All right, we're going to put 5 drops in, and it comes out much faster than the vetiver because it's thinner. And then our beloved grapefruit. And grapefruit is just a burst of energy. I love that smell. And it's great if you're just trying to kind of come back into yourself. It'll just bring your attention right to the aroma. Okay, so 5 drops of grapefruit. And I love how we can use aromas to calm down and feel more centered. What a great thing, right? Okay, so let's close this. And we'll give it a shake. And then you could apply this wherever you like. I frequently like to put oils on my neck and shoulders, but you could put this on your feet, you could put it on your arms. You know, it's a beautiful, beautiful oil. So anywhere that, you know, on your chest, anywhere where you would feel like you were calming down just by smelling it. Okay? All right, enjoy it. See you in the next video.